Hello students. So in a previous video we had a small introduction about what are exponents. Now we are going to discuss about different laws of exponents. Now first law says a to the raised to the power m multiply. This is sign of multiplication. Multiply a raised to the power n will give you a m plus n. For example, you have a number 2 raised to the power 3 multiply 2 raised to the power 4, which means 2 bases same over here. So 2 base you are going to write down only once and you are going to add up the exponents. 3 plus 4 will give you 2 to the power 7 as your answer. Next law says a multiply b to the power m equals a to the power m multiply b to the power m. In this case your base was same but exponent was different. In this case your base is different but your exponent is same. For example, you have 2 multiply by 3 raised to the power 3. This means when you open this up, you will get 2 to the power 3 multiply 3 to the power 3. Now when you solve this, you can do it this way. 3 2s are 6 to the power 3. 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 is 36. 36 is 216. This way you can solve your question. Now look at third one. A raised to the power m, and this is inside the bracket, and outside bracket there is one more exponent, that is n. So what it will give you, a raised to the power m multiply by n, means for example you have 2 and 3 exponent inside and 2 outside. What you have to do, to these both exponents you are going to multiply. 3 multiply by 2, this will give you 3 2s are 6, 2 to the power 6. Next, fourth one, you have a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. In multiplication we add the exponent, but in division we subtract the exponent. For example, 2 to the power 1 upon 2 to the power 3. What will you do? Your base is same, so 2 1 minus 3, which is not possible. You cannot subtract this from this, or if you do, you will get a negative answer. 1 minus 3 will give you 2 to the power minus 2. Now you cannot have a negative exponent over here. What you need to do, you need to change it into positive. What you will do for this, you will reciprocate the base. Reciprocal of 2 is going to be 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2. This is how you are going to write it down. Okay. Now next one, fifth, a upon b raised to the power n, which means a to the power n and b to the power n. For example, you have 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2. It means 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2, which means you have to write this down 2 times. 2 multiplied